Hi everyone, this is question number 15 in chapter 2, differentiation. So we are given y equals to 5x to the power of m, and the differentiation of y with respect to x is x to the power n. So we have to find the values of m and n. So what do we do? So let's start with the y equals to 5xm, and from there we differentiate it. So we got 5m x to the power of m minus 1, reduce the power by 1, okay? And then we compare with the dy dx given. Compare with, let's just put them side by side, dy by dx equals to x to the power of n. So let's look at this and let's look at this. They are supposed to be the same. So what is the coefficient for x to the power n? It's actually 1. Therefore, we can just take 5m equals to 1. And therefore, m equals to 1 over 5. Okay, and m minus 1 is equivalent to n. Therefore, n equals to m minus 1. So 1 over 5 minus 1. So the answer is negative 4 over 5. And that's it. That's the answer for number 15, the m and the n.